Hi, I'm Sam from Fine Country Rugby, and I'm here today with my colleague Jonathan Hanford from Fine Country in Leamington Spa. Behind me is a spectacular brand new house with over 3,000 square foot of accommodation, built by a renowned builder who's been, rather reassuringly, in the business for close to 70 years. John, tell us a little bit more about these homes.
Thanks, Sam. These beautiful detached family homes have a hand-built bespoke kitchen, and the bathrooms are also bespoke. The whole house is kitted out with smart home technology in order to be able to control the heating, the lighting and the alarm. Come inside and have a look.
So one of the key features of this beautiful home is indeed the kitchen family room where we find ourselves now. John, tell us a little bit more about that.
Yeah, this is definitely the hero of the home. It spans the full width of the house. It's got these beautiful bifold doors onto the flagstone sun terrace, which overlooks the rear garden. The kitchen itself is a bespoke hand-built kitchen. It's got fully integrated Siemens appliances. It's got a double oven. It's got a hood over the hob. It's got a dishwasher. It's got soft closing doors and drawers. It's got this beautiful island unit. All of the units are finished with this beautiful quartz worktop, which also has matching appliances through into the kitchen room. And it's a light, airy, practical family room.
The sitting room is at the front of the house and enjoys views over the paddocks. This room oozes quality. You've got oak floors, oak doors, and a fantastic fireplace.
So there's also a bay window overlooking the front elevation. The whole of the ground floor has a wet underfloor heating system, meaning that you've got lots of wall space without the necessity for radiators. It's a really well thought through property. So some of the special attention to detail points of this property are things like passive infrared lighting. So for instance, when I go into the media room, the light automatically comes on. So the house has been kitted out to accommodate smart home technology. So this is the comms room where you're able to integrate your heating, your alarm system and your outdoor lighting, meaning that you can control the property from a mobile phone or from a tablet.
The master bedroom in this home is superb. You have views across open fields, there's quality wardrobes fitted, and the ensuite, which is fabulous. So in here, there's some high quality tiling, underfloor heating, again views of the garden, Villeroy and Bosch fittings, his and hers wash basins, a super shower, and a heated towel rail. Everything that you need, all luxuriously fitted and well appointed. You join us at the end of this tour, having walked through the spectacular kitchen family room, through the bifold doors and into the garden.
So the property is set in this generous third of an acre plot. It's got a lovely manageable garden with views onto a paddock at the rear. This property is available to move into now. So if you have any more questions, you can contact either myself or Sam on the information listed below. Thanks ever so much for watching. Have a great day.